I'm Hiram.
I'm Hiram. Kurt and Hiram here with Teach Mom How. Today we're going to show you how to put these nifty little hashtags above the titles of your video. You might have noticed these starting to show up. I just noticed them recently, so I made this video to show you how to put these hashtags above the title of your video. Should we do it? Say, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, have you started noticing recently these hashtags showing up above the title of videos? This is pretty cool. You can add these, and it's super easy. I'm going to show you how easy it is to add these here in just a second. But the way they work is if you have a hashtag above your title, it means you'll show up in a list of that hashtag. So as your video gains credibility, it's another place people can discover your video by finding it in a hashtag list. So I recommend you start using these. I can't see a downside for using these. My mind was blown when I discovered just how simple it was to add these hashtags. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you exactly how to add these hashtags above the title of your video on YouTube. If I come into my Creator Studio and let's go to my content, let's find a video that does not have hashtags on it, one that's already been published. Okay, this one right here I don't think has hashtags. Let's check it out. Ha, I lied. This one has hashtags. Let me go grab a different one. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Sit tight. Don't leave. Please stay to the end. I promise I will show you how to do this. Scroll down to the bottom. This one does not have hashtags. So all I got to do is at the bottom of my description, add a hashtag. Slideshow, and I think the limit is 3. iMovie and video editing. So add up to 3 hashtags, I believe. Click Save. And that's it. Now if I go to this video, it will look like my other video.
Find the perfect song for your...
And it will have a hashtag right there. 3 hashtags. So that's a pretty cool trick, guys. Go out and go use that hashtag trick and start putting hashtags above the title of your videos on YouTube. Have a great day.